Imagine this, someone take full control of your phone and you have no clue it's happening. No, it's not magic or science fiction. It's the terrifying reality of a powerful digital weapon known as a rat remote access Trojan. Once this software snakes into a device, that device become a puppet and the hacker, the puppeteer. While you go about your day, someone could be watching through your camera, listening through your mic, and even monitoring every word you write, you type in real time. So how does a rat come to life? It's all starting with hackers using a rat builder tool, a program where they decide what server will collect the stolen data, what features to active like webcam access, microphone, keylogger, file explorer, what stealth actions the rat will take once inside the device. But it doesn't stop here. To make the rat undetectable by antivirus software, the hacker uses a cryptor tool. This makes the rat so well. It could like a photo, a music file, or even imagine the scenario. Someone share a cool new photo editor with you and you install it, but hidden inside. A rat quietly opening a backdoor for a hacker to invade your digital life. They can now spy through your camera and microphone, see everything you type, access your files, photos, apps, even lock your entire device. And with this power, the hacker could blackmail, steal, or ruin all without even you knowing. At that point, it's no longer just a software, it's a digital monster. How to protect yourself from a rat attack? Never download suspicious files or click unknown links. Hackers often hide rats in movies, games, software, even images or MP3s. Install app only from trusted source. Always check if it's from the Google Play Store or an official website. Avoid third-party APKs. Use antivirus software. Updated antivirus can often detect rats even if they are heavily hidden with the cryptors. Review app permissions. Is a photo editor asking for mic access? That's a red flag. Disable unnecessary permissions. Use firewall and network monitoring tools. Tools like Zone Alarm, Glasswire for Windows, or NetGuard for Android can alert you if unknown apps start using the internet. Keep your device updated. Older systems have security holes that hackers love to exploit. Got suspicious file or pop-ups? Don't ignore them. Seek help from cyber expert or someone you trust. Last but not the least, a rat is one of the most dangerous cyber threats out there. But with the right awareness and security practice, you can stay safe. Cybersecurity is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Stay alert, stay protected.